What's up guys and girls, it's Moto Noob here again. I've treated myself to a GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. So hopefully this footage is a lot better than what I had before. I'm currently riding it with my chin mount, but I will be changing it in a minute onto my tank mount, which I personally prefer. Let me know if you prefer it. This is it. Tell me what you prefer in the comments below and I will stick to that. Also, if you want some music in the videos, let me know. If not, we can just have the raw sound. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. And stupidly, I forgot to change the ratio on the GoPro. So I was filming at like 4:3 instead of 16:9. I'm really sorry, but my next video will be at 16:9.